how you can fix your Discord not opening on your iPhone. So first thing first, let's open the settings. And once you open it, you will be able to see the interface found in the screen. Now you can see there is general option. So you need to select the general, and once you tap on it, finally you can see in third option there is iPhone storage. So simply select the iPhone storage afterward, and now you need to search for the Discord in here. So you simply need to scroll it unless you find the Discord. So just tap on show all, and let's search for the Discord. And once you find it, simply tap on it, and you simply need to offload the app. And once you reinstall it, you will be able to fix your problem successfully. And also, if you want, then you can also simply delete the app and reinstall it. And yeah, you will be able to fix your Discord not opening on your iPhone problem successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.